Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which states draw tree trunks with scene afternoon coffee with friends. So we have to combine these two subjects, which is tree trunk and a coffee with friends. So it's all about how you perceive the question and how creatively you can use both the elements into a given scene. So suppose if I use the tree trunk to construct a coffee table, okay, a very large coffee table in itself, okay, whose base is nothing but is inspired from the tree trunks, the textures and the shape and the form of a tree trunk. Okay, so our coffee table becomes inspired from the shape and structure of the tree trunk, and thus we are using that element that has been described in the question. All right, so in this way you can creatively think of how to use the given subjects or the given elements in a creative manner so that the entire scene becomes exactly what the question asked for. So here you see I am slowly trying to construct a base which looks inspired from the a thick trunk of a tree. Okay, but its functional purpose is to support a coffee table, which is whose base is on the top. Okay, after that you can start adding certain figures here which shows some people is sitting by the side of the table and having coffee. So you have to arrange the figure in a way so that it looks interesting, and also at the same time it is the solution of the given question. So here you see I am trying to draw the figure in a way which seems like she is sitting behind this table, and then you can add another figure which is sitting just by her side, and she is also holding a cup. So it shall seem like they are all having a friendly get together, and sitting behind this table. so that it becomes exactly what the question asks for. Remember, if it says that it's a coffee with friends, it is important that you draw the figure holding the coffee cups and in the required gesture, so that it becomes the solution of the questions. So after you add the figures, you can add certain chairs at the back to give the feeling that they are sitting behind this table, and then add some other dishes over here, and a jug or sauce bar, whatever, so that look like that this table is being used for dining purposes. So in this way you can create sceneries, not sceneries, but a scene where which stands with the subject or the elements that the question is asking for. It's all about how you creatively compose it. All right, then you can add a certain backdrop, okay, certain colors and a window pane here, so that the scene becomes complete. Some indication of the floor line. So in this way you need to create a very fast solution for the given question, and you have to think also fast so that you can complete the question in a given time frame. So thus our solution to the question is ready, and this can be a proper submission for your exam. So I hope this lesson helps you in understanding how to solve this kind of questions. Thank you.